We are birds in cages singing struggle songs, free us. Getting retweets in foreign lands, got us sounding like tweets and hashtags to foreign ears. Few birds in big cages live in the illusion of emancipation, so they struggle songs for a dollar-pound rand exchange rate gold. They are birds in cages still singing free us, getting shock glares from those in big cages, like but they freed us as they drive suicidal doors open. We are birds in cages, new hashtags fill newspaper pages, chanting freedom is better than breathing. Jailbird kills cage birds, but both still slaves, Bible prisons, Joseph. We are birds in cages, screaming free us, standing up to modern day Caesars, tweets sounding foreign lands native, knowingly they see, but they do not hear us. We are birds in cages shouting, feed us to those with knowledge, wisdom, and understanding, so we can pickpocket the lock that imprisons, if not for us, for our sons and daughters. I said, Bible prisons, Daniel. We are birds in cages, negotiating our way around round tables with those that caged us, buying our freedom with that inheritance left for our descendants. Now they inherit nooses and chains around their necks, but worn with pride, gentlemen ties. We are birds in cages, lamenting, free us, getting freedom on our own terms as we carry ancestral crucifixes like Jesus did, becoming martyrs like struggle heroes, but they depict us, Judases. We are birds in open spaces, free minds thinking our way through this institutionalized freedom, equality free fall, skydiving to be grounded 6 feet times by a couple of thousand free fees, leaving a nation of caged and uncaged birds with ruffled feathers. We are free birds like eagles soaring, singing. Freedom is not just physical, it's also mental emancipation. The sky has no limits, unlocking mental cages, imagination and prisons. Now we free sons and daughters like life through a prison, because we are.